So, you want to start investing? Good for you. You're taking a massive step towards financial freedom. But let's be real, investing can be intimidating, especially for beginners. One of the most common questions I get is, how much do I actually need to start investing? And today, we're diving deep into that question, specifically for Nutmeg. Now, I know what you're thinking. Nutmeg? Isn't that just for rich people? Well, not exactly. Nutmeg has positioned itself as a platform for investors of all levels, including those just starting out. But how much does it really cost to get your feet wet? Let's break it down. First things first, Nutmeg, like many investment platforms, offers different types of accounts. This means the minimum investment can vary. We're going to cover the most common ones. General Investment Account, GIA. This is your standard investment account. It doesn't come with any tax benefits, but it's a great place to start if you're new to investing. Individual Savings Account, ISA. ISAs offer tax-free growth on your investments. There are different types of ISAs, but for now, let's focus on the most popular, the Stocks and Shares ISA. Junior ISA, GISA. This is a tax-free savings account for children. Lifetime ISA, LISA. This is a government-backed savings account designed to help you save for a first home or retirement. Now, let's talk about the minimum investment for each of these. General Investment Account, GIA. Typically, you'll need a minimum of £500 to open a GIA with Nutmeg. It's not a huge amount, but it's enough to get you started. Individual Savings Account, ISA. The good news is that the minimum investment for Stocks and Shares ISA with Nutmeg is also £500. So, you can start saving for your future with a relatively small amount. Junior ISA, GISA. If you're saving for your child's future, you'll be happy to know that the minimum investment for a GISA with Nutmeg is just £100. That's right. You can start building your child's financial future with as little as £100. Lifetime ISA, LISA. To open a LISA with Nutmeg, you'll need to invest a minimum of £1,000. But remember, the government will add a 25% bonus to your contributions, so you'll effectively be investing £1,250. So, there you have it. The minimum investment to start your investment journey with Nutmeg can be as low as £100 for a GISA, while £500 is the standard for most account types. Now, before you rush to open an account, it's important to remember that investing involves risk. The value of your investments can go down as well as up. It's essential to do your own research or seek financial advice before making any investment decisions. Also, keep in mind that while the minimum investment is low, it's just the starting point. Consistent investing over time is key to building wealth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. So, take your time, do your research, and enjoy the journey.